In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Kit. We're going to walk through a simple two-part process that takes you from complete beginner to confidently using Kit in a practical, hands-on way. By the end, you'll not only understand the basics, but you'll also have real assets built inside your account. Let's start with what I like to call the basics sprint. This is a short, focused period where you use Kit's official learning resources to build a strong foundation. First, head over to their official training, often called the Kit Creator University. This is a free, structured learning hub with courses that walk you through everything from basic setup to more advanced automation. Treat this like your starting point. Go through the beginner lessons in order, and don't worry about mastering every detail yet. Your main goal here is to get familiar with the interface, the terminology, and the general workflow. Next, make a habit of using the Help Center, also known as the Kit Knowledge Base. Think of this as your on-demand reference manual. Whenever you're stuck on a specific "how do I do this" question, search there first. It's highly searchable and kept up to date with the latest version of the dashboard. A good tip is to keep the Help Center open in a separate tab while you're working, so you can quickly look up any feature you're not sure about. If you learn better by watching, don't skip the video tutorials on the Kit YouTube channel. These are especially helpful for seeing the dashboard in action. As you watch, try pausing the video and replicating the exact steps in your own account. This turns passive watching into active learning, which helps everything stick. Once you've gone through those basics, it's time for hands-on implementation. The best way to really learn Kit is by using it on a real, simple project. You'll complete 4 milestone tasks in order. First, create a landing page. Use one of their templates instead of starting from scratch. This will help you understand the visual editor without getting overwhelmed by design choices. Focus on learning how to edit text, change images, and adjust basic layout elements. Second, send a broadcast email. Write a short, simple message and practice using a liquid tag to personalize the subscriber's first name. This is usually a placeholder you insert into the email that automatically pulls in each person's name. Send it to a small test segment or even just to yourself at first so you can review how it looks. Third, build a short email sequence. Create a 3-email welcome series that sends automatically when someone joins your list. Keep it simple. A friendly introduction, a bit of your story or value, and a clear next step you want them to take. This will teach you how timing, delays, and automation in sequences work. Finally, set up a visual automation that ties everything together. Create a rule where subscribing to a form triggers 2 things: adding a specific tag to that subscriber and starting the welcome sequence you just built. This helps you see how forms, tags, and sequences all connect in a real workflow. If you follow these steps in order, you'll move from just watching and reading to actually building, which is where real learning happens with Kit.